Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use ink daubers to create a graduated colour effect on some of my landscape stamps. So I'm starting with the hare in the landscape stamp. So here you can see the landscape stamp has graduated colour, so the landscape's in a pale grey, and then we've got a mid-grey graduating up to a mid-blue graduating up to a darker blue, and then the hare has been stamped afterwards in a charcoal grey colour. Right, so I'm going to ink up the landscape stamp with sky grey Versacolour for the landscape, just roughly following the landscape. This is a stamp of drawing I did of Firle Beacon in the village of Firle where I grew up. So all the stamps and the ink pads and ink daubers that I'm using, I'll put links in the description so that you can click through to those. It's good to use plenty of ink on these bigger stamps. So that's the sky grey, and next I am going to ink up with Atlantic blue using the large ink dauber. So just following the line of the edge of the hill. Then I'm going to graduate that colour into darker blue, which is the what's that one? It's indigo blue Versacolour. Just going over where some of the Atlantic blue was. So that's all inked up. You need to apply quite a bit of pressure on these bigger stamps to really get a good print. Good. There. And now I'm going to stamp the hare using charcoal ink pad. So here's the hare stamp, and I'm inking it up using charcoal. Just gently tapping the ink all over the stamp, because this hare stamp is kind of solid colour, so it's worth making sure it's inked up properly. And then we're going to do the hare leaping on the landscape at a slight angle. There we go, and that's finished.